morning, friends. Happy Monday. Let's get started with our number corner. Okay, so yesterday was Sunday, so we're going to do Sundays today, and today's Monday. Remember, if you have your sheet, make sure you have that handy. If you did not get a chance to print it, you could have made one or just follow along. So here we go. Let's check and see what Sunday is. We have another purple card, and it tells us to start on 42 and go down twice. So let's do that. All right. So here is my hidden picture grid. We started on 42 and we have to go down 2. Down 1, down 2. And I got to color that in. There we go. Doesn't really look purple, but this is purple. All right, let's move back to our grid. But before we do that, remember we had to write an equation on Friday. So let's check it. So we have 42 to 52, which equals 10, and 52 to 62, which is 10. All right, so that was on the 3rd, and that we started on number 42, and we moved down, down. So we started on 42, and we added, so from 42 to 52, that is how many jumps? Or how many numbers in between, I should say. 10. And then we went from 52 to 62, and that was 10 again. And that equals 42, 52, 62. And we ended on 62. All right, today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. We have a yellow one today. Oh my goodness. So remember, we ended on 62. And now Tad is right here. So how did he get there? He went from 62 to 63 and then up. Okay. So from 62 to 63 and up. Let's put that on our sheet. Okay, so I have my yellow marker or pen. So he went from 62 to 63 and up. So that lands us on 53. Okay. So if we went from 62 to 63, how many did we go? 1, because from 62 to 63 it's only 1. And then from 63 to 53, how many did we do? Minus 10. Good. All right, let's log that. We started on 62 and we went over and up. So over to the right. Oops. And then we went up. Perfect. So from 62 and over to the right, we went 1. What's 1 more than 62? 63. Very good. And then we went up from 63 to 53. Did we add or did we subtract some? We subtracted some. From 63 to 53, that takes away 10, which leaves us with 53. And that is where we ended. Yesterday we had 153 days in school. What is today if we add one more? Let's check. Here's 100. Let's count by tens. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154. Let's get rid of all of this. We have 154 days. Written form, 154 days. How many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones? How many hundreds do we have? We have 100. Plus how many tens do we have? We have 5. Plus how many ones? We have 4. And that equals 154. Expanded form. Remember, expanded form is our equation where we use our hundreds, tens, and ones and our total days to help us. So how many hundreds? 1. Plus how many tens? 5. But it's not just 5. It's 50. And plus how many ones? 4. And that equals 154. Now remember, we're collecting quarters again today. So far we only have 1 quarter. We have to collect another one today. So let's collect it. Here we are. Now we have 2 quarters. So how many cents do we have? Okay, we have 2 quarters, and each one is worth 25 cents. So I'm going to show you something. Remember that there are 25, 25, 25, and 25. That means 4 25 cents in $1. See? Now watch this. 25, 50, 75, $1. I'll do that again. Say it with me this time. 25, 50, 75, $1. So how many cents do we have right now? 25, 50. We have 50 cents right now. Do we have any dollars yet? Nope, we still only have 50 cents. Great job. Now let's go over our at-home learning schedule for today. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. Excuse me. You have a long e-vowel activity in Google Classroom. You also have a math lesson today. It is Mrs. Mullery. Watch Number Corner like you are doing right now. No science or social studies, no writing today. And then remember your activities for Miss Mortimer, Mr. Tolksdorf, and Mr. King. There is no school on Friday. So that's exciting. Although if you want something to do, a good thing to do would be Dreambox, ABC Yeah, work on your math facts. There's a bunch you could do. Boys and girls, have a beautiful Monday. It's beautiful outside. Enjoy the weather. I will see you guys tomorrow for our Number Corner. Bye, guys.